We ask the experts about 3 key COVID safety measures and whether they are effective.
I think it will have such a small impact upon overall infectivity rates. The likelihood that there'll be enough virus particles transmitted from somebody's hand or face to a book that survive in the time it takes for that book to get back to, say, the teacher or to another student, and are then picked up by the person on their hand and put into their nasal cavity, because remember, that's what has to happen. Mm-hmm. The probability of that is incredibly low. And so you end up with this paradox, right? Yes, it's possible, but is it probable? It doesn't take too much to take freestanding HEPA air filtration units and plug them into the rooms, right? That alone would significantly improve air cleaning in that indoor space. And as long as everybody was wearing a mask as well in that indoor space, the chances of infection would drop to virtually zero.
Well, I think the masks will help. If you're in a situation in the society or the cohort at large where there's a very low transmission rate anyway, then I think the masks will do the job in that environment. Sunlight kills the virus almost instantly.
Right.
Playgrounds are one of the safest places you could possibly be. I mean, even with the fog in London, ultraviolet light gets through the fog as well.
It's possible that they could, but it would have to be an extraordinary confluence of events for another child to come along and pick up enough of infective material and infect themselves.
It is clear some measures will be more effective than others. Hopefully, as our understanding of coronavirus deepens, we will see this knowledge reflected in the guidance to ensure transmission in schools is minimised as much as is possible.